How to use Siri without internet connection. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to use Siri without an internet connection, open the settings application on your device firstly. As you can see, I am connected to an internet connection at the moment, so go ahead and tap on the Siri and search option firstly. Here, make sure the toggle button for both press side button for Siri and allow Siri when locked are toggled on. If not, go ahead and toggle both these buttons on. Now quit settings and toggle off your Wi-Fi. Now press the side button to enable Siri, and now I will ask Siri to open the clock, and as you can see, Siri opened the clock regardless of the fact that I am not connected to internet. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.